Hi, my name is Cleber Amaral, and in this video I will present a testing framework, a work done along with Timotheus Kampik and Jomi Hübner. Here I will show how to check if an agent's code is working as expected and how to develop agents using a test-driven development approach. We will consider a scenario inspired by this book here. In this scenario, we have a room agent responsible for controlling the air conditioner of the room. We also have an assistant agent for each human in the room. The assistant sends to the room agent their preferred temperature, and the room agent will do the best to achieve the average of these temperatures. So let's have a look in the room agent code. The room agent code starts here with this rule, which is checking if the current temperature given by this belief here is warmer than some given temperature. And this rule is used to check whether the agent should start cooling the room or not. So, how to check if this agent is working properly? We can start with this rule. A common way is to write in the production code some tests. We can just print out some answers from the rule and check whether it is working properly or not. We can start abolishing any belief about temperature. We add a non-belief which is 15, and then we evaluate if the rule is answering that 20 is warmer than 15 or not. And then we run it in the production code and get the answer here. 15 is warmer than 20, false, so it is going correct. This way to test is fine in many situations, but it also has some shortcomings. The first shortcoming is it is not separating testing code from production code, so it is a bit messy. It is also not making clear what is the expected behavior for this rule, this part of the code. It also hard to automate these tests, and also hard to avoid that the code will not break in the future. The way we are proposing to improve these tests is we can get rid of this, leaving the production code clean, and we start using the new framework for testing JSON agents. So we use this folder here, testing folder, which comes with this test project file, and we start writing our testing agent. Here is an example how to test the rule. So this testing agent is inheriting some testing facilities, which has also asserts for checking whether something is true or whether something is equal, some value equal to some other value, and so on. And also we include the agent under tests. And we can have something like this, a plan which has this kind of label, and we can ensure that the temperature is starting some known value and use the rule asserting whether this condition is false, which should be, and this condition should be true, and this another one is false. And we run it using Gradle tests. We can also add some extra information here, and then we have the complete report about all these tests. Another interesting situation is to test multiple agents. So again, we add the testing library file and also the code of the agent under tests, which is the assistant. We have multiple assistants in this situation. And here in this plan, we are testing multiple preferences that we are sending to the room agent. And we can mock this room agent. So we launch a room agent with some code, maybe mocked to avoid some interaction with the environment and so on. Just the part that we really want to test. And we are also launching two assistants here. And these assistants are sending their preference, and then we give some time to the room agent, and we check whether the room agent has achieved the average of those temperatures. Besides a clear code, more facilities for tests, it also allows us to put this final result of the test in a continuous integration tool, which is good for keep the code working in the future and also for collaboration among different developers and so on. Thanks for watching.